Good day. Welcome to tutorial on how to make YouTube custom thumbnails. This is extremely simple and I will be explaining to you how to make your own thumbnail. So I'll not be showing you some templates and some stuff like that. I just really want you to know how to create a nice looking thumbnail for your video with your own idea in mind. So anyways, to start off, I've got Photoshop CC running here. You can use GIMP or um, any other image editing program that you like, and I'm gonna create a new template or a new project with the default HD resolution, which is 720p. As you can see, just enter 1280 times 720 on the height, and you can leave the resolution as it is and everything as it is. Background content white. That's not really important. We can change that. You can put in an image or whatever, but I'll get to that. So we'll create the document. Here it is. We can go ahead and make a layer from the background. I just like doing that because then we can edit the layer, and it doesn't act as a background that isn't editable. And of course, it helps us. And first of all, there is something you need to know before you do this. And that is you need to have your own idea, and it is mostly coming from the video you are making the thumbnail for. So I believe it is better to already have the video completed and to take maybe a screen cap from such video and put it here as a background. Right now I don't have a video like that, but that doesn't matter. Um, but if you have, you will just make a screenshot. You should already really know how to do that if you make videos for YouTube. So you just take that screenshot and put it here. It should have um, the same ratio, so it should be 16 times 9. So it should fit directly into the image that we have right here. It is a layer 0. As you can see, I can resize it, but that doesn't help me right now. And then when you have this done, you need to think about how large the thumbnails are on YouTube, because um, if you add in text, it needs to be readable to people, and the bigger the text, the better. It also draws eyes to the thumbnail, and there is different ways to do thumbnails. You can make like the catchy thumbnails. It's like people do where they put cleavage or such onto thumbnails to attract viewers because that's their point. And you know, such videos often aren't good quality, but they get views, and maybe it's not positive views or so, and I don't recommend doing that. But if it's what you like or what you want to do, then go ahead, for sure. Anyway, so for me personally, I'll make a thumbnail for this video. So maybe I want my background to be different. I'll just open the layer and make a gradient overlay with some nice color. Maybe I'll just change the colors quickly to some sort of nice blue, maybe yellow. It doesn't look too bad, but there's better combinations like light blue. Really like that one. And you can change the styles. I think I'll just leave it like this. It's really quick. Anyways, you will see the thumbnail before you click on the video, and you will know that it is the thumbnail that I made. So then I will add in text. You need to have a really well readable text, I believe, and you need to set the size of the text really large. You can see by the blinking cursor there how large the font is gonna be, or you can type in one letter and just see how large it is, and then you can position it yourself to wherever you like. So for me, this is how to make custom thumbnails for YouTube. And as you see, it is a little bit too large. I'll change the style of the font, I'll change the size, and then I'll try to fit it inside here, which seems to be quite problematic. So let's make it a little bit smaller. Crap, you have it selected. You need to select the font. So it is, I think that this is fine. I will make it larger uh, then you need to think about the color of the text, because that changes how well readable it is as well. As you can see, this is quite a neutral color for the background, but if you add in an image from your video or so, it can be dark or bright, and then you need to work with different text color. If I chose some blue, that it would almost sorry, change it once more. As you can see, it really almost blends with the background, and that's really bad. That's not what we want. And the other hand, if you select a color that really is a contrast to the color already, it makes it pop out and it makes it better readable. Not, I don't really recommend making some stupid color decisions like the red. It doesn't really look well. And if you want to be, you want to get use on your videos, they should be presentable. They should look really good, and that starts with a thumbnail because that's what makes people click on videos. In addition to the title, obviously. So I'll just leave it white. I think that's a nice color option, and I'll make it crisp. And I think I should try to make it bold. We will see if it fits, and maybe I can condense the text together, make it a little bit less tall. And you know what, I really dislike the large gaps between the text, so I'll get rid of them, and we'll make it stick a little bit close together, just like that. As you can see, I can then position it around. It's just a simple, I know that it is an extremely simple thumbnail. You can then place it in the middle of the text, or you can make a different style of the text. Which I really like is choosing the text, going for the, for the text that is aligned to the side, and then putting it in the corner, like bottom left. I think those really attract attention, because if you have an image in the background, then it doesn't get overlaid with the text, and the text is just an addition, but it is still readable. And I think this is fine for now. I think I'll work on it before uploading it. Maybe not really, but this is all you should need to know. You really only need to add in text. You need to make it the 16 times 9 size, which the best is the 720p setting, and then you save the image as a JPEG file or .png file. I really recommend one of those. I think YouTube supports both of them. And then you go to your video manager on your YouTube page and choose the video you need to upload the thumbnail to. Go into editation, or just you select um, upload a custom thumbnail, and you select the file you made wherever you saved it. That should be something you should know already about if you make videos for YouTube. So hopefully this will help you out. If you have any other questions, just leave them in the comment section below. I'll be glad to answer as soon as possible. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.